this is the 3-pack of the Dr. Squatch body wash. Love these. These 3 scents, they don't play around. The pine tar, rugged. The wood barrel bourbon, smooth. And the fresh falls, so clean. Together, this trio is for anyone who wants to smell like they have their life together, even if they don't. The formula is real soap, no mystery chemicals. Lather so thick, thicker than the basic drugstore wash, and it rinses so clean. You just squeeze a little on a loofah or a washcloth, lather up, and the scent grabs on immediately. Delicious, smells so good. The pine tar, it's a bold, rugged scent. The wood barrel bourbon smells like someone aged you in a whiskey barrel, like on purpose. And the fresh falls, that's the just showered freshness that makes most people assume you folded laundry today. You're going to smell really clean. All 3 are perfect for daily use, strong enough for post-gym, works for everyday showers, and definitely covers the I worked outside all day and smell like this. These are amazing scents. They're very good. What my husband likes about these is the natural formula, the real lather, and the scents. They actually last. Would we buy these again? What's the final verdict? Yep. This 3-pack is reliable, smells great, delivers the kind of scent that most men washes pretend to have. These 3 here make the perfect gift, the perfect upgrade, or the perfect daily shower lineup.